Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice on the top of the remote there's actually one spot right there. I will be using a screwdriver like this and will punch in the screwdriver in that spot. Just make sure the button portion which is right here, it should stay at the bottom, and then we'll punch in the screwdriver right there to pull out the cover. Gently punch in the screwdriver and then tilt right and left until the cover pops out. There's the cover losing its grip. Now we will just pull out the cover like that, and notice right there is our battery. Now you notice there are two spots right here. Using the screwdriver, we will push the battery outwards until it completely pops out. There it is, and that is how we take out the battery for this remote. Notice it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign which is on the battery, it should actually stay at the top. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the battery in that spot right there, and then slide it all the way down until it goes completely in. There it is, the battery is completely in. Now it's time to punch in the cover. Just make sure the cover is aligned properly from all over the edges. Once aligned, then we will press it down from both sides until it goes completely in. There it is. Just like that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.